Hello friends, I'm your maths faculty from QLS Academy. Today we are going to learn about algebra. You will find algebra interesting and useful. It is very useful for problem solving. Now a simple example, matchstick patterns. What is matchstick pattern? Well, there are two girls, Amina and Sarita. Amina and Sarita are making patterns with matchsticks. They decided to make simple letters of English alphabet. Amina takes two matchsticks and forms the letter L. अब आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है कि दो matchsticks से L कैसे फॉर्म हुआ, ऐसे और ऐसे, ठीक है. Then Sarita also picks up two matchsticks, forms another L and puts it next to the L made by Amina. अब Sarita ने क्या किया, L जो Amina ने बनाया था उसके आगे एक और L बना दिया. Now then Amina adds one more L and this goes on. अब Amina और Sarita L के आगे L के आगे L ऐड करते जा रहे हैं. Their friend Appu comes in. तब अप्पू आता है. He looks at the pattern. Appu always asks the question. He asks the girls, how many matchsticks will be required to make 7 L's? अप्पू ने पूछा 7 L's बनाने के लिए कितने matchsticks चाहिए. Amina and Sarita are systematic. They go on the forming the pattern 1L, 2L, 3L, 4L and so on and prepared a table out of it. Now you can see the table here. Number of L's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 दिख रहा है. Number of matchsticks used 1 के लिए 2, 2 के लिए 4, 3 के लिए 6, 4 के लिए 8 ऐसे करके आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है ये पैटर्न. Appu gets the answer of his question from the table. L's required for making 7 L's is 14 matchsticks. While writing the table, Amina realized that the number of matchsticks required is twice the number of L formed. Now, number of matchsticks required is equals to 2 into number of L's. For convenience, let us write the letter N for the number of L's. Now, अब number of L's, कितने L's बने, उसको हमने एक letter N से denote कर दिया. अब N से denote कर दिया तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? If 1 L is made, then N is equals to 1. If 2 L's are made, then N is equals to 2. And this goes on. N can take any natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N can be any number. So, N ऐसा number है जिसकी कोई fixed quantity नहीं है. N कोई भी number हो सकता है. Number of matchsticks required will be 2 into N. क्यों? क्योंकि matchsticks twice थी जितने L बने थे उसके, तो वो 2 into N हो जाएगा. अब हम 2 into N को 2N लिख सकते हैं. मतलब हमें हर बार multiply का साइन लगाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. Thus, for N is equals to 1, 2 into 1, 2. N is equals to 2, 2 into 2, 4. ऐसे करके हम किसी भी नंबर के L की कितने matchsticks यूज़ होंगे निकाल सकते हैं क्योंकि हमें एक फॉर्मूला मिल गया है 2N. Sarita says the rule is very powerful. Using the rule, I can say how many matchsticks are required to form 100 L's. I do not need to make a table for it. I can just use the rule. The idea of a variable. In the above example, we found a rule to give the number of matchsticks required, making L's. Now, this is called a rule. Number of matchsticks required is equals to 2N. Here, N is number of L's. In this pattern, and N can take any value 1, 2, 3, 4 and go on. Let us look at the table once again. In the table, the value goes on changing, but increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4 value बढ़ती जा रही है number of L की. Similarly, as a result, the number of matchsticks required also goes on increasing, also goes on changing. N is an example of a variable. जैसे जैसे L नंबर ऑफ L की वैल्यू बढ़ती जा रही है वैसे वैसे N की वैल्यू भी चेंज होती जा रही है. तो मतलब N फिक्स नहीं है, N एक वेरिएबल है, ठीक है. Its value is not fixed. It can take any value 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. We wrote the rule for the number of matchsticks required using a variable N. यही important चीज़ है. N हमने बोल तो दिया number of L's हैं, लेकिन वो actually क्या है, एक वेरिएबल है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी वैल्यू चेंज होती जाती है. The word variable means something that vary or change. The value of variable is not fixed. It can take any different value. We shall look at another example of matchsticks pattern to look what variable is. Now, more matchsticks pattern. मतलब Amina and Sarita has become quite interested in matchstick patterns. They now want to try patterns of letter C. Now, letter C. Letter C is formed by 3 matchsticks. Sarita comes up with the rule, number of matchsticks required will be 3 into N. क्योंकि एक C फॉर्म करने के लिए 3 matchsticks चाहिए, 2 के लिए 6, 3 के लिए 9. So क्या हो गया? 3 into N. She has used the letter N for number of C's. N is a variable taking value 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. Do you agree with Sarita? Yes, I totally agree with Sarita. Now remember, 3n is 3 into n. मतलब 3n लिख सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन लगाओ ना लगाओ, it's equal. Next, Amina and Sarita wish to make another pattern of F. F. Now letter F is formed by 4 matchsticks. 4 matchsticks. अब इसका पैटर्न क्या होगा, इसका रूल क्या बनेगा? So the number of matchsticks required for making letter F will be 4n. One may use any letter like M, small l, P, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, any letter. Variable can be denoted by any letter. Remember, a variable is a number which does not have any fixed value. For example, the number 5 or the number 100 or any number you know is not a variable. Why? Because they have a fixed value. Similarly, the number of angles in a triangle has a fixed value, that is 3, so it is not a variable. The number of corners in a room, they are also fixed, so it is not a variable. A variable is a number, is a letter which can change its value. Let us now consider variables in a more familiar situation. Student went to buy a notebook from the school. Price of one notebook was ₹5. Munnu wants to buy 5 notebooks. Now Appu wants to buy 7 notebooks. Sara wants to buy 4 notebooks. Now these students want different notebooks, different number of notebooks. How much money should a student carry when he or she goes to the bookstore to buy the notebooks? This will depend on how many notebooks the student wants to buy. The student works together to prepare a table. Now you can see the table here. Number of notebooks required 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ऐसे करके m तक जा रहा है. Total cost of one notebook in rupee 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 ऐसे करके 5m तक जा रहा है. The letter m stands for number of notebooks a student wants to buy. M is a variable which can take any value. The total cost of the notebook is given by the rule. The total cost in rupee is into the number of notebooks. So it will become 5 into m, 5m. If Munnu wants to buy 5 notebooks, then taking m is equals to 5, it will be 5 into 5. That is 25 rupees. Munnu should carry 25 rupees to the bookstore. In all the examples seen so far, the variable has been multiplied by a number. There can be different situations as well in which numbers are added or subtracted from the variable as seen above. Sarita says that she has 50 marbles than Amina. If Amina has 20 marbles, then Sarita has 30. If Amina has 10 more marbles than Amina. We do not know exactly how many marbles Amina has. She may have any number of marbles, but we know that Sarita's marble is equals to Amina's marble plus 10. We shall denote Amina's marble by the letter x. Here, x is a variable which can take any value like 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, any value. Using x, we write Sarita's marble is equals to x plus 10. The expression x plus 10 is read by x plus 10. Plus ka sign is addition ka sign. It means 10 added to x. If x is 20, then x plus 10 is 30. If x is plus 10 cannot be simplified further. Do not confuse x plus 10 with 10x. They are different. 10x is 10 multiplied 2x and x plus 10 is x plus 10, matlab x added to 10. Now, we may check this for an example of x. X is equals to 2. 10x will be 2 into 10, 20 and x plus 2 will be 2 plus 10, 12. So, these are different values. So, never confuse x plus 10 with 10x, okay? This was all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning today. For any further information or you have any query, kindly go to the following links. Thank you.